Le Havre, a bustling port city on the northern coast of France, faced unimaginable destruction during World War II. The city's strategic location as a major port made it a prime target for bombing raids. In September 1944, Allied forces launched a massive aerial bombardment aiming to cripple German defenses. The bombing left Le Havre in ruins, with its historic city center reduced to rubble. Over 5,000 buildings were destroyed, leaving a landscape of devastation and despair. The city's once vibrant streets were now filled with debris, a stark reminder of the war's brutal toll. From the ashes of war emerged an opportunity for renewal, a chance to rebuild Le Havre into a symbol of modern urban planning. The city, once a bustling port, had been reduced to ruins by relentless bombings during World War II. The devastation was immense, but so was the resolve to rebuild. The people of Le Havre were determined to rise from the rubble and create a city that would stand as a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. This monumental task required not just rebuilding structures, but reimagining the very essence of urban living. The reconstruction of Le Havre was not merely about replacing what was lost. It was about creating a new identity for the city, one that would reflect the advancements in architecture and urban planning of the time. The vision was to create a city that was not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, a place where people could live, work, and thrive. Leading this ambitious endeavor was Auguste Perret, a renowned French architect known for his pioneering use of reinforced concrete. Perret was not just an architect, he was a visionary who saw the potential of concrete to revolutionize building construction. His innovative approach to architecture was rooted in the belief that buildings should be both beautiful and functional. Perret's work in Le Havre would become a defining moment in his career, showcasing his ability to blend modernity with tradition. Perret, a champion of functionalism and a firm believer in the potential of concrete, saw in Le Havre's reconstruction a chance to put his ideas into practice on a grand scale. He envisioned a city that would not only meet the immediate needs of its residents but also stand the test of time. His designs incorporated wide boulevards, open spaces, and modern amenities, all built with the durability and versatility of concrete. This approach was revolutionary at the time and set a new standard for urban planning. His vision went beyond simply rebuilding what was lost. He aimed to create a modern city, one that embraced new technologies and addressed the needs of its citizens. Paris Le Havre was to be a beacon of modernity, a city that would inspire future generations of architects and urban planners. Today, Le Havre stands as a testament to his genius, a city that rose from the ashes to become a symbol of innovation and resilience. The legacy of Auguste Perret lives on in the streets and buildings of Le Havre, a lasting tribute to a visionary architect who dared to dream big. Perret's plan for Le Havre was both ambitious and pragmatic. He envisioned a city built on a human scale with wide boulevards, spacious squares, and buildings designed to maximize natural light and ventilation. His plan emphasized functionality and efficiency, incorporating modern amenities and infrastructure to create a livable and prosperous city. Perret's use of prefabricated concrete panels allowed for rapid construction, a crucial factor given the scale of the task at hand. The reconstruction of Le Havre became a symbol of French resilience and a testament to the power of architecture to heal and inspire. Perret's architectural style was characterized by his innovative use of reinforced concrete, a material he believed possessed both strength and aesthetic potential. He embraced the plasticity of concrete, using it to create bold geometric forms and expansive open spaces. Perret's buildings often featured exposed concrete surfaces, celebrating the material's raw beauty and industrial character. He decorated facades with intricate patterns and reliefs, showcasing the versatility of concrete as a decorative element. Section 5, The Heart of the City, Notable Buildings in Le Havre. Le Havre, a city with a rich history and a unique architectural landscape, is home to some of the most remarkable buildings in France. These structures not only define the city's skyline but also tell the story of its resilience and rebirth. At the heart of Perret's vision for Le Havre lay the Place de l'Hôtel de Ville, a vast public square conceived as the city's social and civic center. This square is not just a physical space but a symbol of the city's communal spirit. It is a place where people gather for various events, from local markets to public celebrations, making it a vibrant hub of activity. Dominating the square is the Hôtel de Ville itself, a monumental structure with a soaring tower that serves as a beacon of the city's rebirth. The building's design reflects the modernist principles of its architect, Auguste Perret, who envisioned it as a symbol of strength and renewal. The tower, visible from various parts of the city, stands as a testament to Le Havre's ability to rise from the ashes of war and rebuild itself with a forward-looking vision. Another notable building is St. Joseph's Church, its towering concrete spire a poignant symbol of hope rising from the ruins. Designed by Auguste Perret, the church is an architectural marvel that combines both form and function. Its spire, which reaches towards the heavens, serves as a constant reminder of the city's resilience and faith. The church's design is both austere and majestic, reflecting the somber history of the city while also pointing towards a hopeful future. The church's interior, bathed in ethereal light filtering through stained glass windows, creates a serene and contemplative atmosphere. The stained glass, with its vibrant colors and intricate designs, transforms the interior space into a sanctuary of peace and reflection. Each window tells a story, adding layers of meaning and beauty to the church's already impressive architecture. The interplay of light and color within the church not only enhances its spiritual ambiance but also serves as a metaphor for the city's journey from darkness to light. Section 6. Living with Legacy, the Impact of Perret's Vision. Perret's reconstruction of Le Havre was not without its critics. Some argued that the extensive use of concrete resulted in a monotonous and sterile urban environment. Others felt that the city lacked the charm and character of its pre-war predecessor. However, over time, Perret's vision has come to be recognized as a remarkable achievement in urban planning, a testament to the power of architecture to shape and define a city's identity. Section 7. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Recognition and Preservation. In 2005, Le Havre's reconstructed city center received the prestigious designation of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This recognition acknowledged the exceptional architectural and historical significance of Perret's work, cementing its status as a landmark of 20th-century urban design. The UNESCO designation has also brought with it a renewed focus on preservation, ensuring that Perret's legacy will continue to inspire future generations. Section 8. Le Havre Today, a thriving city with a rich history. Today, Le Havre stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of its people and the transformative power of architecture. The city has embraced its unique architectural heritage, becoming a destination for those interested in modern architecture and urban planning. Le Havre's port continues to thrive, a vital economic engine for the region. The city has also become a cultural hub, with museums, theaters, and art galleries showcasing its rich history and vibrant art scene. Section 9. Conclusion. Perret's enduring legacy. Auguste Perret's reconstruction of Le Havre stands as a pivotal moment in architectural history, demonstrating the potential of concrete as a building material. His innovative use of reinforced concrete not only provided a solution to the post-war housing crisis, but also paved the way for modernist architecture. The clean lines, geometric forms, and functional aesthetics of his designs were revolutionary at the time and continue to influence architects around the world. And the power of architecture to shape the urban landscape. Perret's vision transformed Le Havre from a war-torn city into a symbol of resilience and innovation. The city's layout, with its wide boulevards, open spaces, and harmonious blend of residential, commercial, and public buildings, reflects Perret's belief in the social responsibility of architecture. His vision, though initially met with skepticism, has come to be recognized as a remarkable achievement. Critics who once doubted the feasibility and aesthetic appeal of concrete construction have come to appreciate the elegance and durability of Perret's work. Today, Le Havre is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for its architectural coherence and innovative urban planning, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. The people of Le Havre, guided by Perret's vision, rebuilt their city with a sense of purpose and pride. The architectural details, from the intricate facades to the thoughtfully designed public spaces, reflect the community's commitment to creating a livable and inspiring environment, and the enduring legacy of innovative design. Perret's influence extends beyond Le Havre, inspiring architects and urban planners to explore the possibilities of concrete and to prioritize functionality and beauty in their designs. His work serves as a reminder that architecture is not just about buildings, but about creating spaces that enhance the quality of life for all who inhabit them. Le Havre serves as a reminder that even in the face of devastation, there is always the opportunity for renewal. The city's transformation from ruins to a vibrant urban center is a powerful example of how thoughtful design and community effort can overcome adversity. Monuments and memorials throughout Le Havre honor this journey, celebrating both the past and the future. There is always the opportunity for renewal. The ongoing efforts to preserve and enhance Le Havre's architectural heritage demonstrate a commitment to maintaining the city's unique character while adapting to contemporary needs. Green spaces and parks have been integrated into the urban fabric, providing residents with areas for recreation and relaxation, and the chance to create something truly extraordinary. Le Havre's story is one of transformation and hope, a testament to the enduring power of innovative design and the human spirit. As the sun sets over the city, it illuminates a landscape that stands as a beacon of what can be achieved when vision, creativity, and determination come together.